Hey, Project Fam, that's right. It's going down. The big green egg is smoking. I'm going to smoke some chicken. Put some chicken on the big green egg, but this is my first cook of the season, so I've got to clean it out. And that's what we're about to do. Hey, Project Fam. All right, so I just watched that intro, and boy, did I sound tired. Well, there's a few reasons for that. One main reason is I make most of my videos on weekends and I release them throughout the week, doing the edits and everything else. Number two, I really don't enjoy cleaning out the smoker. Like, I enjoy cooking. I don't mind cooking all day, but the cleaning process, the disassemble, the scrubbing with a brush, I really do not enjoy that. And the last thing is I am a little tired. Already, I finished my garage organization video earlier in the day. I washed I think I washed just 2 cars. And now I'm off to cooking. It is late in the afternoon. I'm a little hangry. So here I am. I'm going to get the green egg started. And I didn't bore you with the details as far as me cleaning, but you could see the water that's around the smoker area. That is because I took it apart, I cleaned it out, I rinsed it out, and now I'm getting ready to grill. So if you're not familiar with the big green egg, it is one of the best smokers out there. It's about an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter thick ceramic wall, which allows you to retain temperature at the same temperature for a very long time without doing much. I've used this term before, and I'm not going to make it up, but it is somewhat of a set it and forget it. You can cook hamburgers, hot dogs, the easy things, but usually when I turn on the smoker, it's because I want to cook something for a long time. Like, I've smoked hamburgers because I do like the taste of it. I mean, I've cooked ribs, smoked ham, like all of the above. But if I'm just making easy stuff, then I'll put it on the gas grill because there is a lot of prep involved with getting this smoker up and running. So one quick pro tip, that device that I'm using, it's somewhat of a fire starter, and I'm doing it real time because I want you to see what it's all about. If you're still lighting up with lighter fluid and putting those chemicals in your food and blazing up, that just stop it. Do not do it anymore unless you're at a park and you have no choice. But if you're home and you can run an extension cord, get yourself an electric starter. This thing is clean, it is quick. I love it. I don't know how I did it years without it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started. We're going to cook some chicken. Basically, I just seasoned the chicken with salt, pepper. I don't think, maybe a little paprika on one end, but not too much of anything. And just let it smoke for a couple hours. And that's it. This is the process. I'm not going to cut out too much because I really want you to see what is involved with using the big green egg. These projects will be added to the channel. I probably make the best ribs in my area. Yes, I do. I said it. There's only one way to challenge me, is to have a good old-fashioned taste-off. But we're not going to do that yet. Right now, we're just going to do this quick cook of the year and get started.
These telescopes are all the rage in medical school.
Good.
I didn't do this. I hit the thing and all of you guys popped up.
Okay. Hey, you thought you thought I wasn't coming back, huh? Surprise. So yeah, I decided to put those pieces of chicken back on the smoker. They were the furthest from the heat, so yeah, I'll put them back on for a little bit. And fast forward, I actually left them on the smoker a little while. They didn't burn, but I definitely had a crispy chicken skin. So there I am. And one of the reasons why you're not hungry when you cook a lot is because you're always tasting your food. Hey, if you like this video, make a comment, subscribe, share it, and I'll see you next time.